Hello. The word hacker scares many, but the reality is deeper. Some hack to fix, others hack to exploit. Today, I explain the core difference between ethical hackers and malicious hackers, quickly, clearly, and frankly. First, the ethical hacker, white hat, is a security professional working with explicit authorization, testing systems to find vulnerabilities and helping fix them. The malicious hacker, black hat, operates without permission, stealing, damaging, or selling access. The difference is not just technical, it's about law, intent, and compliance. Intent is key. The same tool can be used for defense or attack. Operating transparently and having contracts or responsible disclosure policies turn hacking from a breach into a legitimate test. Skills overlap, understanding networks, operating systems, and the web. But career paths differ. Ethical hackers hold certifications, licensed labs, and participate in bug bounty programs or red, purple, blue teams. Malicious hackers work in the shadows without responsibility or accountability. Real risks include data leaks, service disruptions, financial and reputation losses. Companies rely on authorized testing, attack surface management, ASM, and security by design to prevent attacks. If you love this field, start with basics. Networks, Linux, and Python. But more importantly, learn ethics and laws, and build a legal record through labs like TryHackMe or licensed bug bounty programs. In summary, the difference is not knowledge, but responsibility. Be a hacker who protects, not one who breaks or just fixes. If you liked the video, subscribe and share. If you want a practical guide for the ethical path, I will post it in the description. Thank you for watching.